Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Kamilia and today I'll be talking about development coordination disorder (DCD) or also known as dyspraxia. I will explain further in the next slides. What is the definition of developmental coordination disorder (DCD) or also known as dyspraxia? So it is a condition that affects physical coordination which causes the child to perform less well than expected in daily activities for their age and appear to be more clumsy. So, TCD is usually first recognized when a child fails to reach such normal developmental milestones, such as walking or beginning to dress him or herself. So, the essential feature of developmental coordination disorder is impairment in the development of motor coordination. The prevalence of DCD is DCD occurs more commonly in children with detection rates generally ranging from 5% to 20%, and findings indicate that boys are usually more likely to be detected than girls, with male to female ratios ranging from 2 to 1 to 7 to 1. So, as a limiting condition, DCD seriously affects children's daily lives. These are some of the symptoms of dyspraxia or DCD is first difficulty performing both fine and gross motor skills. Second is unusual body positions. Third, restlessness or frequently moving or swing their arms and legs. Fourth, feeding and sleeping problems such as difficulty to sleep and difficulty to feed themselves. And fifth, if difficulty with balance, which would make them more clumsy and often bump into things. Dyspraxia or DCD should be diagnosed by a team of professionals qualified to examine the specific criteria for the condition, which may include a pediatrician, occupational therapists, or physical therapists, or child psychologists. So, for a child to be diagnosed with dyspraxia or DCD, they typically need to meet all of the following criteria, which first, their motor skills are significantly below the level of expected. Second, their level of motor skills and coordination affects their daily activities and achievements at school. Third, symptoms of dyspraxia first develop during an early stage of their development. And fourth, their difficulty with motor skills isn't better explained by other medical conditions. These are some of the treatments that can be done if a child is diagnosed with dyspraxia or DCD. First, occupational therapy, which can help your child to improve difficulties with specific tasks by breaking down these movements into smaller steps. Second, cognitive behavior therapy or CBT is a talking therapy that can help manage problems by changing the way you think and behave. Third is physical therapy, which can improve their motor skills and coordination. Other conditions that often co-occur or share symptoms with DCD or dyspraxia also include ADHD or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, which about half of children with dyspraxia have ADHD. Second is language difficulties such as speech delay, dysgraphia, which is difficulty in writing, mental health conditions such as anxiety or depression, and fifth is autism spectrum disorder or ASD.